Hi my lovelies, it's Nisha. I have just filmed a review of this foundation. It's really good. I will link it here if you haven't seen it. But today I wanted to do a quick 5-minute eye with a quite new palette from Lorac Pro. And it is a artist edition Meriaki. I think they've released it as their 25th anniversary or something like that. You know that one of my all-time favorite palettes is the Lorac Pro Unzipped. Not Unzipped Gold, the original Unzipped. I still have 2 of those palettes and I still use it. I absolutely love it. Sometimes if I'm packing to go away, I don't know what to take, I just take that palette because I know whatever I do with it, I will be happy. It has a mirror. And on here, you've got the names of eyeshadows, but also, very clever thing, it opens up like this, and can you see, you can pop out the eyeshadows. It actually, when you get it in a box, be careful, because in the middle of the box, there is a little key, metal key, especially for that purpose, so don't throw it away. You can pop the eyeshadows and rearrange them. And because there is no names on the eyeshadows, only separately on that paper, you can rearrange them, but then you wouldn't know what is what. Anyway, let me show you the eyeshadows now. So here is the palette. Nothing exciting, it's just a neutral palette. But if you want one, brown neutrals palette, this is the palette to have. It has few cool colors here. The rest, few warm and neutral. So it's just a perfect neutral, natural palette. The shimmers are amazing, as always with Lorac. The mattes blend beautifully. So I'm really happy to have it. I have lots of neutral palettes, but in here I've got everything that I need. I'm going to start with cream and just sort of set my under my brow with it. And just here where I need to blend the eyeshadows. I'm not going to go all over my mobile lid with it. I think I will do something with gold today. I don't usually use gold, but there are 2 beautiful golds here. One a bit more coppery gold, and this one is a bit lighter but still quite warm gold. So I almost finished that makeup, and then I've noticed I wasn't recording, so I had to take it off this eye and I will do it again. It happens to me all the time. Anyway, on MAC 217 I went first into Cognac and applied it in my outer 7 and almost like halfway, and then blend it upwards and outwards and into my crease. And these eyeshadows are very soft, so they get messy and kick up a bit of dust, but I don't feel like I'm getting lots of fallout, but they blend beautifully. Then with Rifa 15 I went into light brown and blend it at the top. Then Hulu P66 Espresso. It's a very dark brown, and I just applied it right in this corner. Then with Rifa 02 I went into Candlelight. I wet the brush. Candlelight is one of the lighter golds. and applied it on the rest of my mobile lid. Now with Sonia G Pencil Pro, I am going to go into Cognac again and apply that on my bottom lash line. MAC 263 wet, I will go to Jet Black and I will apply this as a liner. Only halfway. And just tiny bit in this corner on my lash line. Rifa 03, and I'm going to go into Cashmere and just apply that in my inner corner. And now just mascara. And that's the finished look. On my lips I have my classic nude lip that I haven't done for ages. It's Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude Lip Liner, Kim KW Lipstick and NARS Turkish Delight Gloss. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye!